Alright, what is going on? Quick parallel park video for you guys here today. So when you see that P pop up, just click it, shift to reverse, and hit start. Alright, so what it's gonna do is perfectly center us in between the two cars by using the Tesla vision here. And it does a nice job by swiping right on time to give you a perfect parking. And yeah, if you have trouble parallel parking or reverse parking, just like that, you can see Autopark complete. Gave me 34 inches in front, which is perfect. So yeah, wasn't that hard. Pops up anytime you have a clean parking space there. And it was really easy to operate. So yeah, if you have trouble reverse parking or parallel parking, Autopark may be for you. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks again and hope you have a great day.